And this is the FI10N and FI20N. One is a little bigger than the other. Both have a hinged lid, a see-through tank, and convenient hose storage. This is the hinged backplate. And this is the quick change pump. Maintenance is a snap, whatever size hands you have. When you need to foam, the FI10N and FI20N have you covered. This